It's not just a Maine lake home. You have 2 extra buildings, bunkhouse, storage. Do you have a lot of company, family coming to visit? Lake home in Maine for sale. Are you looking for a waterfront property? Not a camp, but a home. This one is. Added up, 2 storage buildings, up to 4 bedrooms. It's got a lot of natural woodwork, native beadboard, big beams. Best part is that big open deck is right on the shore of Spaulding Lake. And this is one of the bigger lots on the lake. You don't feel like every 100 feet you've got a camper. It's more private. We're hitting some turbulence known as frost heaves. At this time of year, this is mud season. So if we're going up and down, it's not because I've got DTs. It's because we got potholes. This is what it boils down to. Hello, I'm Maine Realtor Andy Mooers. Lakefront, waterfront property in Maine. That's what we're going to take a peek at. This is a home on the water. It's no camp, no cabin, no little weekend getaway once in a while. It's a full-fledged Maine real estate lake home for sale. This is Oakfield. We're on the Ridge Road. We're going to take a left on the Spaulding Lake Road. You're driving in the Jeep with us to the newest listing to come online up here in northern Maine, southern Aroostook County, on Spaulding Lake. See Spaulding Lake? It's on the left.
You have reached your destination, 92 Spaulding Lake Road. It is on your left.
So you're not 3 miles in, up over hill and dale. You're on a paved year-round road. You have a driveway, not a roadway. So this is year-round. See the metal roof? Those are cedar shake look siding. It happens to be vinyl, no maintenance. And you're right on the water. Are you closer than 100 feet? You betcha. We'll take the drone up and show you what it looks like from the air. You've got 2 outbuildings, then your lake home. Right on the lake shore. This is waterfront property. This Maine lake home has a galley-style kitchen, 5-burner gas stove, 3-door refrigerator stay in the sale. That's about a 9-foot bar table. See how easy it is to prepare the food? Put her back on the table. You're at the lake. Life's supposed to be easier, simpler. You're going to be outside as much as you can on that big open deck. But this is a lake home. It's no camp. It's no cabin. They put ceramic by the glass atrium doors too. Open living concept. See the big beams in the living room? You've got 2 Harmon pellet stoves. This is Dudley. You've got some skylights on the 2nd floor. This really is 3 to 4 bedrooms. That's a lot of space. Most of your lake places are 2, maybe 3. Lots of built-ins, like that entertainment center. See all the native woodwork? We're in Maine. 91% of Maine is wooded. All kinds of glass brings in that lake. You are right on the lake. You're not 100 feet, 75 or 50 feet back. There's 2 stairways, so it almost feels like a split private living setup. This could be a dining room or a den. There's your other pellet stove. Here's your bathroom. Modern shower, new laminate floor. This is a big bathroom, and there's storage behind that curtain. So there's 2 bedrooms on that other stairway we're about to see. Here's the music room, but it could be the 4th bedroom. See what we're looking at? How close we are to the water? All kinds of built-in cabinets. Here's another bedroom behind the glass sliders. So this bedroom is all by itself. It's almost like a suite with that music room. Laminate floor. This one's tucked back. In your family, would you use that bedroom and have this for an upstairs den? Make comments down below. How would you use this lake home on Spaulding Lake in Oakfield, Maine? On the other end of the main lake home, here's two more bedrooms. A good size back bedroom, an oversized L-shaped master bedroom. This is what you wake up to every morning, what you go to bed every night, enjoying being at the lake. So it's like a suite. You have like a sitting area, a makeup area, and the bedroom. There's a skylight and angled beadboard. Pretty low maintenance, easy to take care of. So got the general idea on the Spaulding Lake, Maine lake home? Let's check that back bedroom out. Another skylight. Someone's just glad to have a bedroom. Up to 4 bedrooms. Let's check the outside of this lake home out. See how big a deck you have? There's even more over here. This is why you're here. And we're just a step off Spaulding Lake Road, which is a paved year-round road. Make this into a bunkhouse. Put your toys in this other storage shed. It's not just a main lake home. You have 2 extra buildings. Bunkhouse, storage. Do you have a lot of company? Family coming to visit. Here's your street scene. We're right on the lake, but we're also right on a paved road. The foothills of Oakfield. They've got some wind generators. You know what that means? If you're a year-round resident, you'd have about 10 more years of $2,100 per year. That's like a gift. $21,000, I'll take it. So the price is right if the timing is right in your life. Best part is that big open deck is right on the shore of Spaulding Lake. And this is one of the bigger lots on the lake. You don't feel like every 100 feet you've got a camper. It's more private. We're hitting some turbulence known as frost heaves. At this time of year, this is mud season. So if we're going up and down, it's not because I've got DTs. It's because we got potholes. This is what it boils down to. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Mooers. You know the drill. Like the video. Share the video. And if you're a subscriber, thank you very much. We really appreciate you guys out in the audience. If you're not a subscriber, please, it would be an honor to have you consider becoming one. Go down below for the list of local banks, the price, all kinds of information on the town of Oakfield. We'll tell you about the wind generator program too. Don't forget to look at the playlist on things to do for fun. Oakfield's got all kinds of stuff going on, from snow sled clubs to B&A railroad train rides. There's a lot going on in this Oakfield, Smyrna, Merrill area. Good school system too. See you next time on the Maine Real Estate Channel, and stick around. After this video, there's more to look at. We know you've only got so much time to binge.